Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason and it's Fun Friday drawing time. This time we are going to draw a character from the movie Toy Story. This one is inspired by Edward from Mrs. Bartolome's class. He was wearing a shirt with this particular character on him and gave me the idea. I figured it'd be a lot of fun to draw. We're going to draw Rex, the Tyrannosaur from Toy Story. We're going to have our paper be landscape, so it's wider than it is tall. You're going to need a pencil and an eraser. If you'd like to color it later, you'll need markers, crayons, or colored pencils. I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw. I'm going to place the eraser on the green zone Snoopy, because I'm feeling pretty happy today. And let's go ahead and get started. Got the Sharpie. The paper's landscape. We're going to start with Rex's head. We're going to go all the way over to the left side of the paper. If you hold your hands and thumbs out, the side that looks like an L is our left side. So we're going to start over here, and we're going to draw a straight line that curves up and back, slightly diagonal. Then from that diagonal, we're going to curve up towards the top of the paper and then curve back down. And we're going to draw a curved line that comes around the head and angles back towards the left side of the paper. We're going to come back to where we started, curve down, curve back up, go back towards the right side of this head. At the end of the mouth here, we're going to draw a small oval. And connect that. Along this line and this line, we're going to draw some teeth. They're going to be rounded triangles. Rex is scary, but not that scary. They're rounded teeth. Actually, he's kind of nervous. I don't think he's supposed to be too scary. There we go. And up from his mouth, we're going to draw his nostrils. It's going to be a curved line and another curved line. And then on top of that curved line, we're just going to add another one to give it some width and some weight. In the middle of this arch here, we're going to draw a slightly curved line. And on the right side of this line, we're going to draw a full circle. And in that circle, a dot. On the left side of that curved line, we're going to draw a semicircle attached to that line. And a dot there. And then across the top of that shape, draw a curved line that also has some lines going through it. And that's the top of Rex's head. We're going to come down to this oval, draw a smaller oval on the inside, and some lines that divide that oval up all the way around. I'm going to come down from these teeth. I'm going to draw a curved line. It's going to come down and around, and then it's going to go all the way back towards the mouth, towards that oval. Then we're going to draw another curved line. This one's going to go all the way around, and this one's going to go and touch this shape here. And now we're going to draw some more of those rounded triangles all the way around the bottom, just wherever you can fit them. And then we're going to draw a line that goes behind those teeth. When you get to a tooth, go around it, but don't draw through it. And that'll be Rex's head. We're going to come down for his neck. Diagonal line. Diagonal line. And we're going to draw a curved line to connect that. I'm going to draw a couple scales. These are just organic, meaning squiggly lines. And then under his neck, we're going to draw a wiggly line as well. Around this neck here, we're going to go a little bit above where that line connects, a little bit above that. We're going to go out and then arch for his back and stop. And here we're going to start his leg, but we're going to start at his knee. We're probably going to come down to where the straight line here starts to curve. We're going to come down and draw a curved line for his knee. We're going to draw a big curved line. Come to where we left off. We're going to loop around and draw his back leg. We're going to come back here. See where this line left off? We're going to move back. Come back here. And draw a back claw. Come back here. So we did a diagonal line down. Now we're going to add some toes. Draw a little curved line there. Claw there. Curved line, straight line, curved line, another claw there. And this is a little claw. We'll just draw kind of an oval shape. Connect that. Connect that. And then a curved line. And then a curved line, and then a kind of a curve the opposite way for that part of his foot. We'll draw some wrinkles here. Some wrinkles around his knee. And then we're going to draw, this is where his calf muscle would be. If he was a boy or a girl, he'd have a calf muscle just like us. We're going to come halfway down the calf, draw here, and then come up into that leg. Imagine where it would go through, come back out on the other side, come up, we'll leave a space because we have to draw an arm. And that's what we're going to draw right now. Diagonal line, curve back around, diagonal line, diagonal line, diagonal line, and then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And then around where this arm connects to his body, a couple of curved lines. Now we can come back, finish this line, and connect it to the neck. We're going to draw another arm, the arm that would be on his other side, diagonal line, and 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, diagonal line, diagonal line. Draw his other foot. I'm going to draw a diagonal line, curved line, a little curved line, toe, big toe, curved line for that toe, then a little claw here, curved line, come back and finish that. So connecting between the toes here, curve back up, and this little back claw, and back into the body. A couple wrinkles, a couple lines around his toes. Now we need a tail. So right where this thigh meets the back, we're going to draw a tail going up, come to the bottom, tail coming up. Now we're going to come all the way back to the neck. You see where this kind of squiggly line is? We're going to continue this down. Stop when you get to the arm, continue it down. Stop when you get to the leg, and then the wiggly line is going to be hidden behind the leg here. We're going to pick it up on the tail, go all the way up. Now on the tail we're going to add some curved lines just to make it look like a tail. We're going to add some more scale lines like we did over here on the thigh. And add some of those on this back. Right here we're going to add a couple of lines. And that, oh no, hold on, I want a couple of those curved lines on his neck and his chest. Now that is Rex from Toy Story. He's not floating in space or underwater, so we're going to draw a straight line behind him because he lives in a bedroom. Straight line across. And we're going to do another straight line across. Another straight line across. It's the molding of the bedroom floor. And then all around the background we're just going to draw clouds. And in Andy's bedroom the clouds look the same, so as much as you can, draw a straight line, curved line, curved line, curved line, and connect as much as you can. Obviously it's your drawing, and if you want to make a different background, by all means, you are the artist in this particular creation. So that is Rex in the Toy Story bedroom. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. If you have any suggestions, what you'd like to draw next time, let me know. We'll pick that up next time. And that is Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason.